Hello, welcome to CAPSTONE 2025, the top 10 winning guide tip to win round 1 with top results. This video gives the details guide for all the decisions I show you now. So you started the CAPSIM round 1 is very important, and this top 10 winning tips first. So we use the industry condition report I show you. Before we set decision for CAPSIM, we should understand it. So we check the report here and industry condition report here. So we started with 5 product segment: low end, traditional, high end, performance, and size. You see that each round we have to update the product by using table 1 here. Increase performance and size for 5 product in 5 segments: traditional, low end, high end, performance, and size. Each product increase and reduce differently, right? So we need to use the Excel file to calculate. So we also have table 2 here, calculated for 8 rounds already for 5 segments here. You see 5 segments here. Traditional, increase and reduce size each round to make the product better, the sensors better, right? And we have 8 rounds here calculated already, but you remember to get the product sell well, we need to move the product to the ideal spot. It means we need to use table 3 to update one more time. Here is the update the table 3, so you need to download you should download the Excel file to I have calculated for that for 8 rounds here at the ideal spot, right? So this is table 2, this is table 2, right? And this is table 3, and this is calculated combine of table 3 and table 3 to get the ideal spot. You can use this to calculate update the R&D for 8 rounds. So I show you now. So 5 to 7, 5.7 and 14.3. And low end you don't need to update. You update only one time in round 3, one time in round 7, because low end sell best with 7 years old. This for the high end is quite difficult to update, so we use 8.9, right? 8.9, 11.1, right? And for the performance, we use a 10.4, 15.3. You see on this cell file, right? 10.4, 15.3 in this cell file, 27,000, right? And for the low end, 4.5 and 9.8, 20,000. You can check the revision date to make sure the new product is launched within the right time, right? So you see that right time to launch the product. And also we developed one new product. This is the long-term strategy game with 8 rounds, so we can have the long-term vision. We developed 3 new products, right? 3 new products, so we can double the sale and double the profit from round 3, 4 to lead the game on round from 3, 4 to the end of the game, right? So we need to invest in round 1. So that's the decision for R&D. You check the revision date to make sure that. And now I give you the decision. Now we get the winning tip for marketing, right? So we have checked the industry condition report. So we use the Excel file, we update R&D, we added new product in round 1, round 2, round 3 to double the sale and double the profit in these 3 segments. And now we are going to set the price. I show you how to set the price for that. So we check decision and marketing, and we set the price. So the price beginning like this, right? So we need to check here report, and we have 5 report here: traditional, low end, high end, performance, side. We check one by one, right? One by one, and then we can set the price, right? So you see that is traditional, and you should notice the segment total industry. That's the market share of the traditional segment, 32%. And also you see the price here is not so important, only 23%, and the range from 20 to 30. So we can set the price high, 29.5. Now we move to the second segment, right? So you see low end here, right? And low end is very big segment, right? 39%. And low end is different because the price is very important. So we need to set the right price. And we check the price, the top selling product here, right? Top selling product here, 21. So we set 20.5. We reduce 50 cents to make sure that's more competitive next round. And for high end, you see only 11%, not so big market share. And price for high end totally not important, so we set the price here 39.5. 39.5. And we move to performance. Performance, the price range here 25 to 35, and price not so important, 29%, so we can set the price 34.5. It's not the most important factor, this one. So we take the last size segment, right? So the price range from 25 to 35 again, and only 9%, so we can set high price for this one. So that's the reason behind how to set the price for each round, right? We reduce 50 cents, keep reducing 50 cents each round to make the product more competitive And now we decide the promotion and sale budget. The most optimal budget is 2000, and we check the traditional first. You know that traditional accounts for 32%. That's too big, so we spend 2000 and 2000 here. And low end even bigger, right? 39%, so 2000 here, 2000 here, right? And 2000. We don't have to reduce over 3000, over 2000, because after 2000 the effect reduce, right? And now we take the other segment. It accounts for only 10% in high end, and 8% in performance, and 8% in size. So that's not so big, so we can use 1000 is okay, or 1200 is okay. So 1200, right? And we can increase it now, but because the segment is low, so we spend less, right? So that's the reason to set promotion and sale budget. And now we go to calculate the sale forecast. One of the most important decisions is to calculate the sale forecast. We are here, right? We are able here. We have inventories, some unit we sold last round in column 3, unit inventory in column 4, so we can use Excel file. You can download this Excel file for under this video, or from any blog related to the video, right? Or you can send me the email. I can send you the Excel file for this. But remember, I say 1000 times, do not copy and paste the number, because the number can change anytime by professor or by the simulation designer, right? So I show you the strategy here. You can use that, but remember, do not ever just copy the number, because number may change anytime, right? And number may be different from the student. So you learn the way, you know the way, you learn the strategy, right? And then you can do that on your own. So now you input the number 1636, right? And 2954, right? 2954 and 638. And also you know that the competitors also watching this, right? So you need to adjust your strategy a little bit to make sure you can have advantage, right? So that's I show you how to update the product, how to set the price, the reason behind the price, how to set the promotion and sale budgets, the reason behind that, and also how to calculate the sale forecast and adjust the sale forecast to match your strategy, right? So that's only decision for the marketing, right? And now we come back here. I set the price 5 first winning tips, right? And calculate is the winning tip number 6. You watch to now, you win 50% of the game. And now we calculate the production schedule and automation, right? The Excel file calculated already, right? You know that here, you know we have unit we sold last round here, and we have inventories here, we have the sale forecast here, we deduct the inventory, and then we have the production schedule, right? So now input the production schedule for round 1. I show you. So now it's we input 1447, right? We have the unit we sell forecast here, and inventory is in here, so we put that in 147, 2915, right? 2915 and 598, 565 and 495, right? So so that's it, right? So now it's very important to set the production plan. We know that the capacity here 2004 can produce 2008 max, right? And then we need to buy more, so we buy 200 more. This we don't need that much, so we sell the surplus capacity, right? We sell 600, and then this we know that we will not need that much, we sell 300. And then now for automation, we increase automation, right? And for the new product, we buy capacity here, right? So we can start from next round, start production from next round. So now we check the recalculate to make sure that it's right. So everything decision is right now, right? We sell the surplus and we keep the most effective capacity. We buy the new one. We update the automation to increase contribution here and reduce cost, increase margin, contribution margin, and quality of the product. HR, we have 2 decisions for recruiting and training hours, but we can start that from next round. And now last but very important decision is finance, right? In early round, we need budget to operate, budget for product ID, budget for promotion and sale, budget for new product development and new capacity expansion, right? So we need to issue the stock here. We need to borrow the current debt here, right? So we borrow the current debt, right? And also we borrow the long-term debt, right? See that? So to have enough cash here, right? From 30 to 50 million is just enough, and also we can increase 45 days to give customer longer term of payment, better than payment on than compare with the competitor, so we can sell better. Now we check the income statement, pro forma income statement. We have very good sale and profit for all the 5 products. New product will have profit from next round. This product R&D for the new product, and also we have contribution 29%. We can increase 5% each round. We spend very strong for promotion and sale here, right? Promotion and sale. That's normal in the real business also, not just in the simulation. And net profit we have here, right? We can have better 5% increase of net profit each round. So that's all decision for round 1. You will get the very good result. So I show you the result of round 1. You see, you get a very good sales here, much higher than all competitors, right? You get 107.57, right? And also we get the good profit here, higher than the competitors, right? So that's the result of round 1. So I have shown you all the decision for all the winning top 10 winning tips for round 1. From use the industry condition report, use the free Excel file to calculate R&D, update R&D each round, add new product in round 1, and we win. We are going to add new product in round 2, round 3. We set the prices, explain how to set the price, we calculate the sales forecast. I explain to you how to calculate that, and also I explain to you how to calculate the production. We add new capacity, right? That's long-term strategy. We need to invest faster than competitors, and we get advantage before them. Increase automation to save cost, increase quality, right? And use 2 to 3 sources of fund in round 1, 2, 3. So you see the result here, very good result, and you see the result in going up like this after 8 rounds, right? So in round 1, 2, 3, you invest. In round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go up much higher than all the other competitors. And last few slides, right? You know, last few slides, you know that it's very important to win the game, but understanding is is even more important or equally important to that. So you need to know what decision to make for each round, what report to read, and what parts of report are more important than others, because we provided a lot of details. And also you win 50% of the game if you know what report to read, what decision to make. If you know how to, I show you how to update the product, what is the long-term strategy to win, how to set the prices, what are the prices of competitors, and how to calculate the sales forecast, and sell and buy inventories. If you know this, you win 80% of the game. And you know that's a very, very, very good simulation, right? How to set decision for production, how to set decision for automation, how to set decision for HR, finance, QM. So you win the game, right? If you need the support, you can send the email. I can support you for 8 rounds. And Capsim 2025, and support for all rounds, and also give you the report for explanation, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. See you in the next video.